Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Sunset Travel Guide. Today, I'm sharing my top 10 tips for solo travelers. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or gearing up for your first solo trip, these tips will help you make the most out of your journey. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Research your destination. Before you hit the road, do your homework. Research your destination, thoroughly learn about its culture, customs, and local etiquette. Knowing what to expect will not only help you navigate with confidence, but also show respect to the local community. Tip number 2. Pack light and smart. Packing light is the golden rule of solo travel. Stick to the essentials, opt for versatile clothing, and don't forget important documents like your passport and travel insurance. Remember, less luggage means more freedom to explore. Tip number 3. Stay connected. While solo travel is about independence, staying connected is key to your safety and peace of mind. Invest in a reliable SIM card or portable Wi-Fi device to stay connected on the go. And always keep loved ones updated on your whereabouts. Tip number 4. Trust your instincts. Your gut feeling is your best travel companion. Trust your instincts and stay vigilant in unfamiliar surroundings. If something feels off, don't hesitate to remove yourself from the situation and seek help if needed. Tip number 5. Embrace local experiences. Solo travel is all about immersing yourself in new cultures and experiences. Step out of your comfort zone, try local cuisines, join guided tours, or strike up conversations with locals. The memories you'll create will last a lifetime. Tip number 6. Be flexible and open-minded. No matter how meticulously you plan, things may not always go as expected, and that's okay. Stay flexible and embrace the spontaneity of solo travel. Some of the best adventures happen when you least expect them. Tip number 7. Stay safe and informed. Safety should always be your top priority. Familiarize yourself with emergency contacts, local laws, and potential risks in your destination. And remember, it's okay to say no to situations that make you feel uncomfortable. Tip number 8. Learn basic phrases. Even a few words in the local language can go a long way. Learn basic phrases like hello, thank you, and excuse me. Not only will it enhance your travel experience, but it'll also show respect to the locals. Tip number 9. Make connections. Solo travel doesn't mean you have to be alone. Join online travel communities, stay in hostels, or attend local events to meet fellow travelers. You never know who you'll meet or the friendships you'll forge along the way. Tip number 10. Enjoy the journey. Last but not least, remember to enjoy the journey. Solo travel is a unique opportunity for self-discovery and growth. Embrace the freedom, soak in every moment, and savor the experiences that await you. And there you have it, 10 essential tips for solo travelers. Whether you're embarking on a solo adventure or planning your next trip, I hope these tips empower you to explore the world with confidence and curiosity. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy travels. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Sunset Travel Guide for more travel inspiration and tips. And if you have any solo travel tips of your own, share them in the comments below. Safe travels, everyone!